Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix your Reddit videos not playing, you've come to the right place. So if your videos not playing on Reddit, you need to do these simple steps. So first of all, you need to go to your Play Store, find Reddit, and here click on Reddit. You need to make sure that you have open icon and not update. If you have an update icon, click on update and wait Reddit for updating. Or just simple uninstall Reddit and install it again. If it's not helping, click on settings and here you need to find your apps. So click on apps here, find Reddit, and in storage and cache you need to clear your cache and clear your storage, and after that go to Reddit and try it again. That should fix your problem. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.